International School. On National Science Day, I am going to do a science experiment. The topic of my science experiment is how does it rain? So these are the things we need for the experiment. We need some ice cubes, hot boiled water, a plate. Start our experiment. Take the plate we have and place it on top of our hot steamed water. Take the ice cubes and place it on top of the plate. Then slowly spread it and wait. After waiting for a while, solid ice cubes has turned into a water liquid and in the glass cup there is now water droplets. Even though you might not see, I can see. We should know that there are 3 states of water: one solid, one liquid, and one gas. Example of solid is the ice cubes, and liquid example is the water we drink. Gas is the steam, also called water vapor. So now let's see. How does it rain? Now we should learn 2 concepts. One, evaporation, and condensation. The experiment we just now did is the same which happens in the clouds, which makes rain. So the sunlight that shines on the water bodies heats up the water bodies, and then it turns into a water vapor and goes up to the air, which is called evaporation. The water vapor in the air cools and turns into water, and they fall back to earth and are called water droplets, and is also called rain. This process is called condensation. Very happy that my experiment was a success. Thank you, Mummy, for helping me so much then MP International School. And thank you, MP International School, for letting me do this experiment. Thank you all for listening to me. Thank you all. Bye.